Today, I'll show you how to add emojis to your videos using CapCut, a simple way to make your clips more expressive, engaging, and fun. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to spice up your videos with any emoji you love and give your content that extra pop that really grabs attention. Whether you want to highlight a moment, react to something, or just make your viewers smile, adding emojis can make your video instantly more relatable. Let's get started right away. First, launch your CapCut app. You can find the icon on your device. It's black and white with a stylized X logo. If you're brand new to CapCut, don't worry. It's very beginner-friendly. After opening the app, you'll see an option that says Create New. Go ahead and tap that. It's kind of like starting a fresh canvas, just like grabbing a blank notebook page before you doodle. Taking a moment to choose Create New ensures you're starting with a clean slate, which makes organizing your edits much easier. Now, you'll notice the choice to select a blank canvas. Pick this option. It's basically telling CapCut, hey, I want to build my project from scratch. This is ideal if you're experimenting, or if you want total control over your video's look and feel. Don't worry if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all the options you see. Starting with a blank canvas is the simplest route, and you can always add more elements later. With your canvas ready, let's bring in a sample video. Tap the area marked for Video Import. It might say Add Media, or just look like a big plus sign. Select a video clip from your device. It could be anything from a quick selfie video to a travel montage. If you don't have a video handy, you can use any sample or test clip you have lying around. Adding a video gives us a foundation. Think of it as laying the groundwork before decorating a room. Once your video shows up in the workspace, look for the Elements option in the CapCut toolbar. This is your gateway to stickers, shapes, and emojis. Tap Elements. The menu might look a little busy at first. That's totally normal. Just remember, this is where the magic happens. Within Elements, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in emoji. Pausing here to search is key because CapCut has a ton of graphic options, and you want to narrow it down quickly. Typing emoji brings up a collection of all kinds. Happy faces, hearts, thumbs up, and lots more. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one you like. Maybe you want a classic smiley, a cool sunglasses face, or even a fiery heart. It really depends on the vibe you're going for in your video. Don't rush this part. Try to think about what would connect best with your audience or fit the moment in your clip. Once you've found the perfect emoji, simply drag it onto your video timeline. You should see it appear right over your clip, and you can move it around or resize it, just like sticking a sticker on a scrapbook page. And that's it. You've successfully added an emoji to your video in CapCut. From here, you can adjust exactly where it shows up, tweak the size, and even add more emojis if you want to get extra creative. If anything looks off, you can always undo and try again. Remember, the most important part is having fun and expressing yourself. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions or want to see more CapCut tricks? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.